In this video, I'm going to explain to you why you should start your blog or website on WordPress and not on Wix. If you're in Facebook groups, you've probably asked the question or seen the question, where should I start my blog or website? Is WordPress better than Wix? Should I go with Wix? Should I go with WordPress? I see this question all the time. And so in this video, I'm going to explain why WordPress is better than Wix. And no, I'm not biased. I've actually started and continue to run a website on Wix as well as multiple websites on WordPress. So I know exactly what it's like to use both platforms, and I do pay for and use both platforms. The first thing that I want to compare between WordPress and Wix is the pricing model. Now, a lot of people say, oh, with Wix, you can get a free website. Yeah, you can get a free website with Wix, but you're not going to be able to use a custom domain name. It's going to have Wix ads all over it. You're not going to be able to use any plugins. You're not going to be able to use any type of e-commerce. Basically, it's just something on the internet. You're not going to really, most likely, make any money from a free Wix website. So let's jump up to the next plan. I'm actually going to look right here and see what the pricing plans are. So after the free plan, to pay monthly just to connect your domain name, so to use a custom domain name, is going to be $7.50 a month. Now, this could change. I don't know when you're watching this video, this pricing model could change, but that's what it is right now. Now, if you want to make sure that there's no advertisements on your website from Wix that are not your ads, you're not getting paid for those, you're going to have to pay $14.50 a month. Now, unlimited means you have unlimited bandwidth, no storage limits, meaning you can upload as many photos or videos or whatever you want to your website. You're going to be looking at $17.50 a month. Now, let's compare that over to a WordPress blog. WordPress is free, so you're not going to have to pay for WordPress. However, you are going to need a domain name and hosting. Now, you can get domain names with Google Domains for like 12 bucks a year. I've got tons of videos to show you how to do that. But hosting is another question. I've actually got a full tutorial on my website that'll show you how to start your blog with SiteGround hosting, which is the hosting provider I recommend. And you can get hosting for as low as like $5 a month. And trust me, you are not going to need anything more than that when you're starting out with your blog or website. It could take a year or two before you need to bump up your hosting plan to the next level to get the type of bandwidth and storage space you need. Let's actually jump right over here to SiteGround really quick and see what kind of limits we can actually get for $5.95. So I'm over here on SiteGround and I want to do a WordPress website. Now, startup, you can see right here, is actually $3.95 a month, so it's less than $5 a month. You get one website, you get 10 gigabytes of web space, and about 10,000 visits monthly. Now, I'm just going to tell you from personal experience that 10,000 visits monthly is a very lofty goal for many people that are just getting started with blogging. But once you outgrow that, you can just switch your plan over to the Grow Big, which is 25,000 visits monthly, or go geek and get 100,000 visits monthly. So starting off for the new blogger, the startup plan right there on SiteGround is a great plan and very, very affordable. Now let's talk about ease of use. I will admit here that Wix is actually really easy to use. It's just a drag and drop platform. So you literally drag and drop text and everything around where you want it to go. WordPress is a little bit different. You're gonna use themes that are actually preset, pre-designed to look a certain way. So you're not gonna be able to like drag and drop things around on the screen unless you get a premium theme. There are some premium themes that you can pay for, which do allow some more customization, some drag and drop and arranging. You can do some really cool things. But most free themes come as they are. You get what you get. So yeah, Wix probably has a slight advantage in the ease of use as far as drag and drop and that sort of thing. But we're going to talk about a few other reasons why WordPress is better than Wix. Now, the next thing that is very similar to ease of use would actually be like customability, if that's even a word. How to customize your site. What are your customization options with Wix and WordPress? I'm going to tell you right now that WordPress actually takes the cake in this one. There are thousands of themes available, thousands of plugins, and if you know PHP or coding for websites, you can customize your website however you want using WordPress. This is a reason why some of the biggest brand names in the world, Disney, PlayStation, all these big time websites run through WordPress. The next point that I want to talk about is plugins. Now, Wix does come with over like 200 plugins that you can get, but like I said, I personally run a website on Wix, and the plugins there aren't very good, quite frankly. And the ones that are good, you have to pay for. WordPress, on the other hand, has thousands, literally thousands of free plugins that you can use to improve your website, to customize your website, to make your blog or website run better. There is no competition here. WordPress in the plugins department easily beats out Wix any day of the week. E-commerce, if you're going to sell anything through your website, you might be thinking about some sort of payment platform. Now, Wix does offer a payment platform, but it's not really that flexible. If you are serious about starting an e-commerce website, meaning you're ready for some serious sales, you need some serious options, you need to be able to customize, use plugins the way you want to build your e-commerce website, then WordPress is definitely going to give you some more freedom, flexibility, and options. Wix is nice and it might seem friendly for the average blogger or beginner, but trust me, once you start your blog or website, you are going to wish that you started it on WordPress. I know a lot of people who start their blog on Wix because they hear how easy it is. They hear that it's free and all this stuff. They start blogging and then 3 or 4 months down the road, they're like, ooh, actually, I can't do as much as I really wanted to do. And then they're asking in Facebook how to switch their Wix blog over to WordPress. Trust me, you do not want to have to deal with that. It's going to be better for you in the long run to start your blog with WordPress from the beginning. Like I said, I've got a link right below this video with step-by-step instructions to help you start your blog or website today using WordPress and SiteGround, my recommended method for anyone starting a blog or a website. So go check that out and get started with your blog today. Let me know if you have any questions, guys. Come back and visit us right here on Learn How on YouTube to see more video tutorials to learn how to build your online business or blog to create a life of freedom. I think that's the goal that we all have. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, share it with a friend. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.